If you are choosing between Tradesyncer and Tradecopia to manage multiple futures or prop firm accounts, here is the straightforward truth. Both tools copy trades across accounts with ultra low latency, but they function very differently. Tradesyncer is entirely cloud based, replicating trades in under 100 milliseconds. Because it runs on its own servers, it operates 24/7 without needing a private VPS or keeping your computer running. Pricing starts at 50 or to be exact $49 a month for a basic tier and scales up to $149 a month for unlimited access. Tradecopia focuses heavily on advanced risk management and prop firm rule compliance like real-time drawdown monitoring. Its pro desktop tier costs $49.99 a month. Same with Tradesyncer, and of course, for a fully automated cloud option, its Pro Plus Web tier jumps to $149.99 a month. So the verdict for effortless 24/7 cloud copier with zero hardware hassle, you go with Trade Syncer. If you need deep drawdown protection and flat rate scaling for dozens of accounts on your desktop, you pick Tradecopia.